As part of the Summer Matters Sacramento project, the Roberts Family Development Center is proud to present our 2013 summer camp video entitled The Great Outdoors.
I am Keelan Archie. Our summer camp 2013 is already here. Take a look at how students at RFDC spend their summer.
Can everyone say thrust? Thrust. Thrust is the motion when you have the air inside of the balloon. Thrust is what propels it to go forward. Looking for an explanation as to why it was slower.
The way it's like blocking it, like a brick wall and like a other brick. It doesn't let it go.
That's a great explanation.
We're on a field trip!
And we're on a tour on the campus of Sacramento State.
And we're gonna go inside the buildings.
This summer, the children had lots of fun as they enjoyed programs such as STEAM, stop-motion animation, Game Fit, field trips, and much more. The children had a hands-on experience as well as the opportunity to gain knowledge through experiments and activities. The kids leave with positive memories and knowledge that would not be possible without the Roberts Family Development Center.